Hello, Reapers. Do you want to learn how to bathe? Well, watch a video by Billion Surprise Toys. Dang it, I messed up the name. Anyway, Billion Surprise Toys, pretty awful, but they're great for memes. If you like memes, which, everyone does. So let's just read the description. A cool and pleasant video picturizing the bathing of Johnny and Chia. Okay? Some of your kids may show hesitation to bath. Let's enjoy this chilly rhyme, which describes the fun of bathing, and also helps to learn the different body parts. Okay. Can't believe I said bathing. Who would say bathing?
Surprise time!
Okay, this intro's cursed. Alright. At least they're wearing bathing suits. That's way better than I imagined it would be. Okay, this is way too loud. Bath with the soap? That's not how language works. I'm sorry, what? So I actually said bathing instead of bathing because I thought, I don't know, I was just being dumb. This kid literally said bathing is so fun. I'm not joking. Don't wink at me, you weird kid. I don't want to bath with you. I don't want to bath with you. Whoa! You don't even have hair. Is it? That's not how language works. These people aren't even English. American. Only have a channel to teach American if you're American. Unless, you're British or American. I don't know, man, but, don't be German, Ukrainian, I don't know, whatever this is, and try to teach English. Try to teach American English, if you don't even know if you don't even know how to speak it. And it would have been okay if it was just the babies, maybe. It would have been oh, the babies are just dumb. They're babies. But the parents do this too. Okay. That's not a good idea. You get water in your eyes. I don't want to wash with you. You're babies. I'm a 12-year-old. That would be weird. Plus, I don't even know who you are. That's beautiful. Just walk up to someone and say, let's bath together. Why did those bubbles just emerge from the skin? That sounds wrong in so many ways I can't even understand. Let's run together. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him. Okay. You guys do all these things when you take a bath? I only just clean myself with in the bath with I just take soap, shampoo. I don't brush myself. I don't brush my legs. This is so stupid. They're not even actually speaking English. They're just putting a bunch of words together and hoping it forms a coherent sentence. Bathing is very fun. Dude, close your eyes. Look, I don't want this to actually offend anybody, okay? Because maybe this is intentional. His eyes look a little wonky. I'm not gonna lie. I feel like this isn't intentional. Because it just feels like something that this channel would do. Give him eyes and then just make it awkward. I'm sorry. I'm just gonna... We'll just, rewatch that last line quick. Bathing is for must. What does that even mean? That's not even English. Who shows their child this thing? Okay, I'm done with you. Why are you shining? Okay, I'm done with this. You have literally ruined my entire life. So we're gonna watch one more video. Then I am leaving and doing stuff with my life. I have no idea how to spell, so this is not gonna be good. There. Yeah, I'm not very good at spelling, in case you can't tell. Alright, so if you don't know, they got rid of this refrigerator song. It was yeah, it was kind of memes and awful. So apparently, a couple of years ago, they released a new version that is literally the same song with different animation, and the animation's still bad. So it doesn't even make a difference. I'll leave a big fat smelly like on this, Megarino. I know you can't hear the intro, but it's cursed like they go like billions of five toys, and then Johnny comes up and just goes like, "Yay! Surprise toy!" Whoa, what's the old man doing here? Swing your racket. Oh, who gets a talking refrigerator? Okay, doesn't have a refrigerator. I'm sorry. Did you not hear her? She said she doesn't have she doesn't have water. Then just get over it, dude. Like that doesn't mean she's lying. Maybe she just legitimately doesn't have water. Ever thought of that, smart guy? What? You lied to us, refrigerator. Stupid refrigerator. They call Papa Papa, and they call her Mommy. That's what we would do in America. Most people, the only person who calls their father Papa is me, because I call him Papa. You know, so I'm weird. Do you have sauces? That's how she said. She said, "Do you have sauces?" Okay, so that person, the old lady who just gasped, it has a sound effect. They were like, "Whoo!" Like, "Oh!" But it's like, first of all, that doesn't sound feminine. That sounds like a male voice. Secondly, why are you so surprised? This refrigerator is a known liar. It's a known refrigerator liar. Look at this face. This isn't the face of someone who wants to help you. No, no, no. I don't want to open my door. They're just dunking those sauces. Those sauces. Why are you sad? But the ice cream truck's right there. You just pointed at it. Why not get ice cream from there? There's some ice cream. Whoa, wait, what's going on with the refrigerator? What's wrong with the refrigerator, dude? I know you can't hear it because my audio's bad, but he just said, "Do you have chocolates?" Chocolates. Like it's not that. That's not the problem. The problem is that they're supposed to be teaching English. They don't even know how to speak English. What is with this refrigerator? Oh my gosh, why does it have so many chocolates? It's got so many chocolates and sauces. I love this. This is great. Do you have cupcake? That's how you speak English. Like, what is this actually supposed to teach people? That's a jerk. How is he? Oh, so that's how this ends with. Look at this refrigerator. Look at this. So it ends with a girl about to eat a cupcake in a murderous refrigerator falling in love. Okay, can I make this just my wallpaper? Just this beautiful, handsome face right here. Okay, guys, that's all for this video. Make sure to like, comment down below, subscribe to this amazing channel that I have here. Yeah, shameless self promo. Remember to learn science, eat sushi, and I bid you farewell. Remember to always bath with the random stranger, and don't get a talking refrigerator, and only eat chocolate and sauces. I hope you've learned things. Goodbye, though.